Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you want to use Shopify for a free trial. And not only that, you can also avail this discount where you'll have to pay £1 or $1 per month for 3 months. As you can see right here, you can try Shopify free for 3 days. You can sign up for a free trial and you can enjoy 3 months of Shopify for £1 or $1 per month on select plans. So this is a great deal that you cannot miss, and for that I have uploaded a link in description. Once you press on that link, it will redirect you to this website, and simply what you'll have to do now is you will enter your email address, and after you enter your email address it will prompt you to enter your password. And of course, signing up to Shopify is as simple as that. After you enter your password, it will ask you for a few prompts regarding your business or what you're selling, and that's it. You'll see that you need to pay £1 for 3 months on your select plans, and then you can normally use your Shopify. So you'll enter your email first of all right here. Of course, these are the prompts that you'll see. Now you just need to fill according to yourself. You can read all of these. Just fill according to what you're looking for and what you're going to use. Of course, you can see all of these prompts that it's asking you. And this prompts will differentiate according to what you're choosing in your first option. So of course you will fill according to what you find best. And now, as you can see right here, it's giving you £1, £1 and £1 for all three plans, or it can be $1, and you'll need to pay this amount for 3 months, and after that it will return to your normal amount. If you don't want to pay right now, simply you can just press on skip, I'll decide later, and you will use your 3-day free trial, and after that is finished you will be prompted to pay for your Shopify account, and then you can select one of these three options, and this will be the same for 3 months. And this is how you avail the deal. Just go to your video description, and from that video description you will just press on the link and you just need to follow this process. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.